Hi children, this is just a review video of decimal operations. Those who are having the doubts in the decimal operations, please go through this video. You can have a better idea regarding this. Okay, we are having four different operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We already discussed about fraction additions, fraction multiplication, fraction subtraction and fraction division. Now we will discuss those in the decimals. Okay, if two decimal numbers or more decimal numbers are given, how to add and how to subtract, and if two decimal numbers are given, how to multiply, and if two decimal numbers are given, how to divide. Okay, that is the this video's agenda. Let us start our discussion. We will start with additions. Let's consider this example. 12.345 plus 2.435. Okay. How to add two decimal numbers? Just write the place values to the correspondent place values like this. Now see, units place, decimal point, tenths place, hundredth place, thousandth place. Okay, like this you have to write. Now do the simple addition, how you do a general addition like that. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8, and 4 plus 3, 7. And here the decimal point, you keep down the decimal point here. 2 plus 2, 4, and 1. Here there is no number, so 1 will be added with 0, the 1. So this is the answer. Okay, so let us do one more example of the addition. Let's consider this 28.42 plus 18.325. Write down as per the place values. Here you can see there is no digit in the thousandth place, but here there is a value in the thousandth place. So there is no need of worry here. Just keep a 0 where there is no digit. So I can keep a 0. There is no change in the value. If you keep 0 after the decimals, how many zeros you can put? You can put so many zeros. There is no change. Okay. So whenever you are having less number of digits when compared to the next one, just keep a digit there. Okay. Now you do the same addition. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Decimal point. 8 plus 8, 16. 1. And this is the 4. So 46.745. Okay. This you already studied in your last class. Now we'll go with the subtractions. For subtractions also you have to follow the same procedure which you are following for the additions. Okay, write down as per the place values there. Okay, so I am writing 87.45 minus 27.51. Okay, do the normal subtraction. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 5. We can't do. So what we'll take? We will take a borrow from here. So it will become 14. So 14 minus 5, 9 point. Here it will become 6, no? Yes, it will become 6. So if I bring one more here, 16 minus 7, yes, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. So 59.94. Okay, this is the way you have to do the subtraction. Okay, if there is no number, no digit, you can place a 0 after the decimal point. Now we will see the multiplications. Multiplications can be done in two different ways. One is a formal method which I discussed in the class. Like stepwise. What is the first step? Ignore the decimal points. Okay, in multiplication which we discussed in the class is a formal method. In that formal method, what is the first step? Ignore the decimal point. And what is the second step? do the general multiplication, and whatever the result you will get, keep a decimal point as many digits of the decimal digits. Okay, that is a formal method. And there is another method, easiest method of converting into fractions. Let us see the both. Okay, we'll start doing the same question in two ways. Let us see here. See, these are the two decimal numbers, 10.42 into 2.1. We will do this within a formal method, and next we will do with the conversion method. Okay, what is the formal method? Step 1, ignore the decimal points, that it will become 42 into 21. What is step 2? Do the general multiplication, 42 into 21, that will become 1042 and 4802. 2 8 8 1 2. And what is the step 3? 21882 is our result. This is the product. Now what we have to do? Count the decimal digits in the given decimal numbers. What are the decimal digits? Whatever the digits after the decimal point, those are known as decimal digits. See, here after decimal point, how many digits? 1, 2. In this, after decimal point, how many digits? 1 digit. So 1, 2, 3. So overall, how many decimal digits are there? 3 decimal digits. So now what you have to do is keep the decimal point in the answer. How will you keep? Count from 3 decimal digits, no? 1, 2, 3. So you keep a decimal point before 3 digits from right to left. Count from here to, and you can keep a point there. Okay, so 21.8882 is the answer. Okay, this is the formal method of multiplication of decimal numbers. Now we will see the conversion method. Conversion method which you learnt in the decimal division. See, now how can I convert these two decimal numbers into fractions? Exactly, 1042 by 100. Why I wrote 100 here? Because after point I am having two decimal digits. How many digits? 2. So 2 zeros must be there in the denominator. So 2 zeros means 100 into 2.1 means how many digits after decimal point? 1 digit. So how many zeros in the denominator? 1 zero, that is 10. So 21 by 10. Now you can see this is a fraction multiplication. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So if you multiply the numerator into numerator, 42 into 21 by 100 into 10. That is 21882 by 1000. Now see the decimal division. There are 3 zeros in the denominator. So how many decimal points I have to give here? 3 decimal points. 3 digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So I'll keep a point here. So 21.882. So this is the formal method and this is the conversion method. You can use both the ways which you can think it is a feasible. Okay, this is if you able to understood this one, you can follow this or you can follow this. Both answers you will get the same answer. Okay. Next we will go with the division. Let's consider this example. 0.021 divided by 0.2. These are the two decimal numbers. How to do this? Okay. What is the first step? Convert the decimals into decimal numbers into the fractions. How can I write this decimal number in the fraction? Count 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits are there. So I have to give 3 zeros in the decimal, that is 1000. Okay. So what it will become? Remove the decimal, write it as 0021, that is 21 we can write. Divided by, after decimal point 1 digit, that is 1 0 I have to give, so 1 that is 10, so 3 by 10. Now do the fraction division, that is 21 by 1000 into reciprocal of this, that is 10 by 3. So 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, 0, 0 can be cancelled, that is 7 by 100. 7 by 100 is nothing but 0 0.07. Okay, this is the way you have to do the decimal divisions. Okay, let us do how to divide and how to multiply with tens. See, 0.21 into 10. Remember, if in the multiplication with tens and hundreds, the decimal point will move to left to right. Okay, you have to move the decimal point from left to right. If you divide the same number, if you divide the number with 10, the decimal point move to the right to left. Okay, see, what will be the answer? 1 0 I am multiplying, so move the decimal point one digit after, that is 2.1. Okay, this is, I am dividing with 1 0, so decimal point has to move to this side, means right to left, that is 0.021 is the answer. Okay, this is the way you have to understood, and please do remember this. This one also we can do it by doing the conversion. See, conversion method, 2 1 into 10. How can I convert this? What is the fractional form of this? 21 by 100 into 10 is a whole number. What is the fractional form of a whole number? 10 by 1. 0, 0 can be cancelled. So 21 by 10, that is 2.1. This is also the correct. This is also the correct. Okay, this is also, we can go with the formal method, 21 by 100 divided by 10 by 1. Okay, that is 21 by 100 into 1 by 10. So what will be this? 21 by 1000, that is 0.021. Okay, like this also you can go ahead with. If you are having a whole number, just write it in a fractional form. What is the fractional form of a whole number? 10 by 1. Okay, or when you divide it with 1. Okay, these are the basic operations of the decimal operations.